Welcome back. Today we are kicking tires again. We are at Castle Country RV in Helper, Utah, and if you're looking for a rig, they can help you out. All their contact info's down below. Reach out for whatever you're looking for. They have from kind of lower price all the way to these big boy rigs over here with some mobile suites back here and alpines and beacons and redwoods and all sorts of stuff. But today we are going to check out this beacon right here behind me. Comment down below if you're looking into one of these more full-time style units with full body paint, high-end $100,000+ units, or are you looking into more of a travel trailer, tent trailer, camper, those sort of things. This Vanleigh Beacon is the 41 FLB. It has the front living room, which is just super cool. But with any of these front living room, you're getting a lot of pin weight, and this thing is a heavy boy. Before we get too far into this, let's just go through the weights. Needless to say, you are not towing this with your half ton. This thing's a heavy, heavy trailer. This trailer is that 18,500 pound weight rating, putting you 3,500 or more pin weight. You're well into dually territory with this thing. Right up front, we have our Rotaflex Pinbox. A lot of really nice rigs are going to these, and I've been hearing a lot of good things online. I've never towed with one, but from what I'm hearing, really good pin. Down below, already wired for Furrion solar panels. And then, we'll see if this is open. Right down here is your generator prep. This one doesn't have a generator in it, but it comes all prepped. So you can put in a 5500 Awning generator. Nice big storage compartment. And one thing, nice thick baggage doors. These are not as thick as you'd get with a mobile suite. I don't know if any in the market are the walls are as thick as a mobile suite, but still a really nice heavy baggage door with slam latches. Right here, you have your auto level controls, which I really like it right here. I don't know if it's going to weather well going down the road, but I like you don't have to open a door to level your rig out. I think it's kind of a pain when you have to open up one of these side doors and then reach in somewhere and try to find the buttons. So it's really nice that it's just right here, easy to get through to. The paint is a full body paint, and it's the waterfall choice. Really like the blue and the grays and silvers. This thing is massive. We have 3 slides on the driver's side. This first slide, Schwintek here. Then, second slide is a rack and pinion. And the third one up in the bedroom is a Schwintek slide as well. Baggage door right here for one of your propane tanks. I assume the other one's on the other side. Yet again, really nice thick baggage door with slam latches. Always watch your head. That's a sharp corner there. I know I'd bonk my head up for sure on that. Wet bay in here. One thing they do with their wet bay is this is all enclosed, and then they've laser etched in all of the different labels for everything, so you don't get stickers just peeling off and then not being able to know which setting's which. This side of your pass-through bay, it's even carpeted on the sides. Really nice, giving you lots of room. And I don't know what this is. I think this is your battery monitoring system, but I'm not for sure. One thing I'm noticing as well, the door opens to the side, not up to hit your head on. And then it's magnetic back here. So many of these that are underneath the slides like this, they just raise up to this point and you knock your head into them. So it's great that I really, really like that. You are not hitting your head. I mean, you still might hit it on the slide, but at least it's not on the back door. Hot water heater here, furnace here, coming down the side. We have rack and pinion slide here because you have some heavier components in this. It's kind of what they do now is on a heavier slide, they're going to do rack and pinion. On the lighter slides, they're going to do more of the Schwintek or cable slides. For the tires, they are a Westlake, and it says that they are the load range J18PR. So down underneath has the Road Armor Trail Air by Lippert. So you're getting an upgraded suspension system to help smooth out the ride. And with a unit this heavy, you're gonna want a nice suspension system underneath. Have to watch my head here again. I know I'd end up hitting my head with this unit so many times. Right down here, we got another storage compartment, and it goes all the way through underneath. That is so nice. There is so much storage down underneath this thing. I guess with a full-time rig like this, more storage the better. And you could fit everything from bikes to, heck, maybe even a small kayak, all sorts of stuff. Your pop-up tents, just slide them in, no big deal. And really nice struts. Feel really solid. Right back here, you have your power cord on an automatic reel. Nice feature as well. Nice high-end feature. With it on the reel like this, you don't have to pack your cable around with you. It's always just spooled up right there and then nice and tucked out of the way. Kind of surprising on this, a lot of these high-end units don't have a rear bumper. This one has a bumper, and it looks like you can remove the end cap and use this to put your sewer tube in even, which has kind of just always been the place to keep sewer tubes on RVs. Got our chairs stored down here, and then this has this big roll-out tray. You could put a full-size paddleboard in here. There is just so much dang room. It would be really handy. A lot of times with these fifth wheels, the only storage you have is up in that front compartment. It's really cool to see it spread out throughout the whole unit, and you can kind of manage your weight a little bit better that way. Nice magnetic stops up at the top. Got your hitch here, and it's even wired for a 4-prong pin. I don't know if they recommend you towing with it, but I mean, it's already pre-wired. Maybe it's just wired for one of those bike racks, but it does come with a hitch. Furrion backup camera up at the top, already wired in. Doesn't look like it's installed, but it's pre-wired. And then I do not know what that is for, but it's a port for something. Coming around the side, even more storage, just like on the other side. Plus you got 2 awnings up top. Showing all that storage. I really love the color scheme. I don't know if I would get, if I was buying one of these, which I'm not, someday. I don't know if I'd go with this color or with this one next to us. This one next to us, I think maybe would stay a little cooler. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you like this dark color, or do you like this light color on this beacon next to us? One thing I would have liked to see on this nice of a unit is the awnings. I wish they had the metal cap wraparound to help protect the fabric. It's just the fabric up there. I don't know why they didn't do that, but it would be nice to see. Now, these are both power awnings, which is really nice. Right up by the awnings, you have some outside speakers if you want to, have some outside music. Another slide here. So this thing total has 5 slides. This one here is part of your kitchen as well. And then coming around up front, we have your other bedroom slide here. And then here is access to your storage. One thing that we never knew that we would like so much with our current trailer is the central vac system. And this has a central vac in it as well. And I really think it's a nice feature. Yet again, doors opening to the side, not up to hit your head on. And last storage compartment, another propane tank. That's enough of the outside though. Let's head on inside and check this thing out.
So we are coming on into our kitchen and dining area. Nice big space, big island to work with. Massive sink. Let me tell you, this is the size of the sink. Very nice countertop. It's got a little bit of fleck of something in it that makes it shine. Something nice about Vanleigh and Tiffin is they make their own cabinetry. So you are getting a very nice, good quality, fairly hefty cabinetry in this kitchen. Lots of extra space, upper and lower, extra drawer space, which is always so nice for a unit. Right here behind me, you have your very large double door residential fridge with a freezer pull out below. Extra rollers in here, that's really nice. So if you are a full-timer, you have got ample amounts of space. Moving on over to our range and oven. It is an Insignia brand. Very large, nice oven. Burners on top, you've got 4 burners of different sizes. This range actually has room that you can have more than 1 pot on it. Really nice space. Above here we've got our microwave and convection all in one. I wanted to mention the cabinetry again, this lightness to this kitchen. It's very nice and light, and the gray accent goes with it so well. So I'm actually noticing a light switch panel, if you will. They are running all throughout the units here. They just can run your lighting. So what's nice about these is you can really control any light wherever you are. Moving over on this side, you've got your nice dinette area. We saw those chairs in that massive storage space. I'm noticing a double shade option, retractable on their own, super nice. Windows giving you so much light into the trailer. Even with your chairs in here, nice big opening to move around your table and easily move into your chairs. Moving over to our second bath, you've got very large doors here. This could be possibly your washer dryer combination. There is some plumbing in here. If not, you've got really great space to hang clothing. And a very large rest of the ceiling cabinetry there as well. And here you've got your toilet, your sink, little medicine cabinet, store a few things. Even has a little bidet rinser. Heading on up the stairs, I'm actually seeing our central vac. We have the little dust collection option on the bottom step, as well as our generator on-off. So coming on up in here to our main living area, we've got 3 couches that look so comfy. Fabric is very, very nice, soft. I'm seeing at least 2 recliners as well as 2 folding beds, giving you lots of sleeping area up in here. Very nice front entertainment unit here. Big TV that retracts up and down, getting it out of the way if you want it. So when the TV is down, you've got access to your big front window. On the sides, you've got lots of cabinetry, lots of space in there. Lots of excess storage up in here if you need a blanket or an extra pillow when you're watching TV. Got your Furrion soundbar as well as your fireplace. Something to note about their couches in here is they are residential grade, specifically made for Tip and Vanleigh. So heading into the bedroom, I'm seeing your main control panel right here as you walk in. Walking up in here, you're seeing the very, very nice light white colors in here again. It's so nice up in here with all this cabinetry. It just works so well together. Lots and lots of storage. You've got dresser configurations all over. Mattress in here feels really nice, like an actual decent mattress. It looks to be an RV king size. Little nightstands have power to them if you need to for charging. thing about this slide is there's windows on both sides, giving you airflow at night if needed. Behind you, you can see nice big closet. I jump in here and show you. Oh, this side has the mostly hanging on that one, where this one's got hanging and shelving. As well as this nice little section here in the middle. Well, let's head into master bath. Heading into the bathroom here, I'm seeing straight away a toilet I've never seen before in an RV. This thing is pretty stout. It is made by Tecma. Don't know anything about them, but it looks like a super nice toilet. Has a very large, nice shower. Good size for washing. There is a bench that they've added into it that folds up and down. Head on the shower looks really nice. You've got the removable wand that you can multi-purpose. On this other side, you've got double sinks, his and hers, overhead storage for each, and under storage as well. Ample power ports. That's nice to have ample power ports. Soft close on the drawers again. Overall, this restroom has a very nice residential feel to it.
When it comes right down to it, this thing is just gorgeous. The full body paint stands out. The interior features are so nice. I don't know if I've seen an interior even close to as nice as these Beacons have in them. I think that's one of the biggest things that stands out to us is the interior. Remember to hit that bell, like, subscribe, get all the notifications, all that sort of stuff. Comment down below if this is the type of unit you're interested in and what you think of it. And as always, remember to enjoy your weekend. Thanks.